It's chapter 5, lesson 4. It says relate division and multiplication. Okay, division and multiplication are related to each other. Okay, they're just inverse operations. If I'm doing multiplication, then I could use division to check my work. If I'm doing division, I could use multiplication to check my work. Okay. Look what it says. It says build it. It says find 21 divided by 3. So, okay, there are model 21 counters divided into 3 groups. So how many groups am I going to make? 3. So pretty much you just use this. 1, 2, 3. So far, that's what they said in the first sentence. Model 21 counters divided by into 3 groups. Draw the model. How many counters are in each group? So there's 3 groups, and then I need to put a counter into each one. Okay, until I run out. Okay, so obviously I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I just did that. So I made 3 groups, okay, and then I put the 21 counters into each group. Okay, I divided each counter into each group one at a time until I ran out. And then now, how many counters are in each group?
7.
7. Okay. So write a division problem or a division sentence, or an equation, one or the other. It's the same thing. So a division sentence is the first number tells me how many altogether. How many counters do I have altogether?
21.
21. Oh, I'm still 21. Okay, that's called the dividend. Is the number to be divided. Okay, the divisor is the number by which the dividend is divided. That means the number of groups. How many groups did I have? 3. And then the answer is called the quotient. Okay, so the number in each group. How many were in each group? 7. Now it says to write a multiplication sentence. Well, I should do the opposite. Okay. How many groups were there?
3.
How many groups were there?
7.
How many groups were there, though?
3.
Okay, I didn't say how many were in each group. I said how many groups did we make? So how many groups did we make? 3. 3. Now, how many in each group? 7. And how many total were there? 21.
Explore. Relate division to multiplication. In the following example, you will see how you can relate division to multiplication. Find 21 divided by 3. Model 21 counters divided into 3 equal groups. There are 7 counters in each row. Next, write a division sentence. The total number of counters is 21. This is the dividend, or the number to be divided. There are 3 groups. This represents the divisor, or the number the dividend is divided by. Finally, the number in each group is 7. This is the quotient, or the answer. Now write a multiplication sentence. The number of groups is 3. The number in each group is 7. So the number in all is 21.
So when you write a division sentence, it's the dividend divided by the divisor equals the quotient. But when you do a multiplication sentence, okay, the dividend is actually the quotient, the product, and the 2 factors are the divisor and the quotient. And so that's one way to put it. So it says Find 20 divided by 4. Model 20 counters and divide into 4 equal rows. All right, so 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then put each counter in each row until I run out of counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Whenever we do it,
That's a good question. So if I do rows or groups, I should have the same number in each group. So in each group right now, I have how many in each group? 5. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that says write a division sentence. Well, they actually gave it to you, part of it already. Right here, look. 20 divided by 4 is how many in each group? 5. Okay. So the product is actually going to be the dividend. So 20 goes here. Okay, and then the divisor and the quotient are the two factors. 4 times 5. Four times 5. Now look at 5 and 6. We're working on this together. It says write a related division sentence. Okay, a division sentence. All right. Well, how many counters do I have all together though?
4.
All together in this, I have 4. How many? 12. So it's 12 divided by, how many groups are there?
3.
How many groups are there? Listen carefully. I have 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. How many in each group?
4.
Now you can say it's 4. Now what would be my multiplication sentence?
4 times 3.
4 times 3. It's 12. Now look at 6. How many do I have total?
12.
So 6 and 6, that's 12. Divided by
2.
why 2?
Because there's 2 groups.
There's 2 groups, correct. And how many in each group? How many in each group? 6. So then what would be my multiplication
6
sentence?
times 2.
6 times 2 is 12.